guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw a gummy bear, a green one, a green gummy. This is probably gummy bear week. We're going to be drawing gummies. So let's get started. We're going to draw different styles of them. So this is one style of gummy bear. I'm going to be using this marker. Should be simple. Anybody can draw this. Beginner can draw this. Let's jump into it. Believe in yourself. And let's start. I'm going to draw the head. Nose, eye, it's two eyes, maybe a little smiley face, round for the hand. Now I'm going to grab a colored pencil. This is actually a Rose Art, well, I think this is Scholastic colored pencil. It's a green. And I'm going to just kind of dig into this flatly and just color it. These are awesome, by the way. I used to eat gummy bears all the time. Now I'm kind of on a diet because I'm older, so don't really have as many gummy bears as I used to. It'd be nice though. That's pretty much it. Just keep it flat. If you want to accentuate anything, accentuate the nose. Maybe dig into the color a little bit harder on the nose and the eyes. But that's pretty much it. Thanks so much, and I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to support this with a thumbs up and share this video. Very, very important. Caring is sharing. And I'm going to leave you the question. So what is your favorite cartoon show? Because one of my favorite cartoon shows was Gummy Bears. Although it was not about the gummies. It was about, you know, another thing. But that was one of my favorite shows. What is one of your favorite cartoon shows? Comment, and I'm going to reply to every single comment. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Or the next day, sorry.